Yes, go. हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं कि ट्रॉफी को होल्ड करने का तरीकाकार क्या है। ग्लव्स पहने बगैर आप इसको होल्ड नहीं कर सकते। ये इसका बॉक्स है।
It's been a great start to the World Cup in Luton.
How do you feel after holding this World Cup trophy?
It's a very special feeling. I would never achieve what the players have achieved in England, but it's a great opportunity just to be part of it in Luton this weekend.
Can you tell me what is the reason why we are not holding the trophy before wearing the gloves?
Because we have to respect the trophy and make sure that it is returned in the condition and it is kept nice and clean, so it's in a proper secure box and it will be kept there for the whole of the evenings of the Luton tour for the World Cup.
Roughly how much does it